Welcome to my channel. I am starting by the grace of my creator. How are you all? Before you begin to use the software, you need to become familiar with the interface and some of the core functionality and features. This lesson describes the working environment and the types of interface elements that you must become familiar with if you are to become proficient in the software. Before you begin creating drawings, you should familiarize yourself with the interface. After completing this lesson, you will be able to start the application, activate the appropriate workspace, and identify key parts of the interface. 1. Application menu. 2. Quick access toolbar. 3. Info center. 4. Title bar. 5. Ribbon. 6. Drawing area. 7. Crosshairs. 8. Command window. 9. Status bar. If any need, contact me by Gmail md.asad7157@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next video.